I go. I picked up my Algerian visa yesterday, so I've hugged and said goodbye to my family, which is why I might look a little bit teary right now. I'm on my way to Algeria, inshallah. Yeah! Oh yeah, stickers!
This was the old logo of the company, and this supposed to be the new logo for the podcast.
Daffodils.
No cycling in the market.
Is it not? Okay, thank you. My pedestrian family members are not going to be happy that this is officially the Eurovelo cycle route.
Oh, there is another person coming with. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you. Sorry. What a grey day.
Oh, look at this flower.
We found the Greenwich Meridian. 0 degrees longitude.
Other side, the Excel.
I didn't think I even knew that existed.
And just to do this, you pay, I don't remember, 7 quid, something like that. It's amazing, I don't know what it is, but it's amazing.
It's weird. That looks like that Gormley beach. Finally, a bit of cyclable path that isn't full of pedestrians. It's my fault, it's a Saturday, so maybe I should have had a better idea than cycling along the Thames Pass on the weekend. Huh. Go, but don't break your chain, but go. Ah! Yeah, don't break your chain. Yeah! Not me. Pushing. Two sausage rolls, please.
Anything else?
And these, thanks. Doesn't say no cycling.
Looks like you've never seen somebody making coffee.
We're having famous Greg's sausage rolls for lunch. What do you think?
It's a British institution, let's say.
It is. I don't normally like sausage rolls, and these are adequate. M25, I guess. Yeah. G'day. Yet more thank yous, still in chronological order. Many thanks indeed to Gemsy, return patron Gemma. Thank you, Gems, for becoming my patron for the second time. Absolute superstar, thank you very much. Oh, you're kidding me.
Wow, you can go around with a bit.
I don't know if I can. Okay, yeah.
In a couple of days, sit on tap for me.
Okay, citron tart.
I love that.
Will do. Hang on, I don't know if my handlebars are getting through this. Oh, no. How does that work? Am I supposed to go with that? Sideways? Okay. Ah.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Cute little kitchen. Bikes inside. Ethiopian script on the wall, which I now recognise. Yay! Warm.
Chicken with peppers, something with sprout. I don't remember which one. The beef was with sprout and egg fried.